Hello and welcome to another update video about Atom. Yeah, Atom, I covered it recently. The price has moved further, through this current wave 2 correction. We're going to zoom in a minute. First, want to start with a bigger picture here on the daily time frame. So far, there's no need to change the wave count or our scenarios here. In fact, Atom is cooperating nicely with the roadmap that I have presented in the last video. And there is a potentially interesting setup here that could allow the price to find support and then rally to $20 plus. But let's first talk about the bigger picture here. The price seems to have formed a low in the yellow scenario in a B wave here. That's currently what I'm following primarily because it's a bullish market. So I'm looking rather for bullish scenarios, even though I have to say it's not a great scenario here that we've got because, yep, I've got a B wave low here in June 22. Then we would be in a C wave rally right now. And a C wave is a 5-wave move. And this was a wave 1, the rally into the September 22 highs. Then we have a wave 2 down into the October 23 lows. That's a very clear A, B, C structure. And the C wave might be unfolding right now. The C wave itself is, again, sorry, not the C wave, the third wave is unfolding right now. The third wave of the C wave. And the third wave is, again, a 5-wave move. And it's possible and expected that we have seen already wave 1 of wave 3, which topped here around $12.33. That was the first level in the resistance area I presented you a while ago. So it's respecting the parameters. Now we can actually go to the 4-hour chart, actually, yeah. See a little bit more detail. Oops. So yeah, wave 1 might have topped. Questionable 5-wave move, but we can count it as a 5-wave move. The pullback is unfolding right now. We saw an A wave to the 50% Fibonacci level. Again, here we can see how well these parameters are respected. So the price hit our forecasted support zone. The A wave oftentimes reaches the 38.2 to the 50% Fibonacci level. That also was the case in this scenario. And then the B wave, the projected B wave topped indeed in the defined resistance area. Resistance was between $10.59 and $11.71. The price reacted to the golden ratio. And the C wave down is likely unfolding right now. And the data we have, the parameters we have, allow us to calculate a potential target for wave C. And what we can say is we've had an A wave low. We go to the high of the B wave, and that gives us a potential C wave target. And I would say the $7.81 level is really a key target based on the length of the wave A, the high of the B wave, and oftentimes the A wave and the C wave, they have the same or a similar length. And therefore, we are looking for the 100% extension level typically. Now, usually the C wave would end below the A wave low, and the A wave is at $8.87. So a break below that would be ideal, yeah, for the C wave to play out. Then we've got $8.16 and then this very important $7.82 level. Below $7.24, which is also which is the 78.6 retracement level, but also the 1.236 extension of the A wave. Basically, at this length, the C wave would be 123.6% as long as wave A. Below that level, the bullish prospects, the bullish thesis, has to be basically thrown out of the window. It will probably then get invalidated. But Atom is holding really well. We're not even close to that 78.6 retracement level, but it's likely that this is going to unfold a little longer. The only what could happen is that this B wave extends a little longer in a larger A, B, C structure. That's not predictable, but if that happens, it should happen from this region now. But we could simply move further into the resistance area, possibly to $11.71, before coming down. So the last rally here that we've seen was only a 3-wave move up. So I generally would expect still further continuation in this wave 2 correction, but I would use this support area to look for potential reactions, and then the third wave can send the price higher to $20 plus. That's my update about Atom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.